Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import Google Keep Notes to Obsidian. So let's start with exporting your notes through Google Takeout. So we will take another path which is kind of interesting, so let's get straight into it. Now first what we are going to do is open up our Google Takeout. Alright, just type in Google Takeout on the web and you will get to this site right here. Okay, now second thing to do is deselect all and now scroll down and let's find Google Keep. So where it is, Google Keep right here. Check the selection box next to it, so this one right here. Keep the default delivery method as send download link via email and click create export. So now we will put here next export once. Here we can select send download link via email. So we will leave it like that. Then next thing is zip file is okay. And yeah, export once and create export. All right. Now I think we have it. So let me jump into the email. All right, now we have it, manage Google Takeout. Now, as you can see, we can select here see report, confirm that that's you, and the zip file will be downloaded. All right. Now what we need to do is unzip this. So extract all, just like that. All right. And now what we are going to do, we can convert and import into Obsidian. So let's go and do that. All right, now in Obsidian, we will go that we prefer to handle the conversation entirely inside Obsidian. So we will use official importer community tool. So here in Obsidian, click the setting gear icon in the bottom left corner. Go to the community plugins, then click browse and search for importer like that. It's developed by Obsidian team, so this one, the first one. If you don't have it installed, just click install and then click enable and you will have it right over here. All right, now we go back here to our node and now we can click Ctrl P on Windows, or if you using Mac, CMD P. And now what you are going to type in is importer, open importer. I have it right here. In the file format drop-down menu, select Google Keep, as you can see right here in this drop-down menu. Then click files to import. So choose folder or file, what you have. I will select this one like so. And just like that, then just click to import. Now, obviously, you need to have something in it. So in this my notes, I don't have much of this. So obviously, it's not showing anything. But if you have it, this will show you then right here in these notes. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.